Now your local on the 8s. A high wind warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 46 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with periods of rain, high 49. Rainfall around ½ inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with rain showers likely, low 39. On Thursday, overcast with rain showers at times, high 44. Here's our 7-day outlook.
I'm excited for the first day of spring because I get to bring out my flip-flops again, not today, but soon enough, and get to start having the flowers pop up again. But for now, I'll enjoy the sledding.
I'm excited about the first day of spring because it means I can go outside for a nice run out in the sun.
I'm looking for spring. Bring it on.
Well, happy first day of spring. Welcome back to Day Planner. It's a chilly start to the season. There's not really a warm-up in sight. We'll get the details in your 7-day forecast in just 2 minutes. But first, Viv, spring driving safety, something we all need to keep in mind.
Yeah, Nick, because when cold weather begins to warm, drivers may think their driving cares have melted away along with the winter ice and snow, but not so fast. Joining us live via Skype to talk about spring driving safety is Jill Goldberg with the Georgia Department of Transportation. Now, Jill, springtime can present its own set of challenges on the roads. How can we prepare our vehicles to make it safe for us as we get out on the roads?
Well, certainly there are a set of challenges with spring weather. For your vehicle, I recommend